Hi, it's Tracy from Tracy Young Creative, and I'm making a round book, a no-sew round book today. So these are just some of the tools you'll need, and I've already prepared this as well. So you need to have about 6 pieces of paper. I've used a plate to go around those, and I've folded them all in half. So I've got 6 rounds and I've folded them all in half, and you'll notice that I have created a bit of a slice here, and that slice there is 3 centimeters. Doesn't really matter what size your circle is or even what kind of paper you're using, but that's basically 3 centimeters. And then I've created, so that's the insides of the little book, and these here will be the outsides of the book. And again, this is then made with a little bit more solid paper. This is made with 185 GSM sheets, and so I've got 2 sheets like that. So actually I'm going to make it have 8 circles in the middle. So this is, you know, quite a cheapy kind of paper. I don't mind it, it was just something I have, and when I fold it like that I can get 2 sheets out of it. So I've just put my half round around there, and I'm just tracing around. There we go. Of course it might be slightly bigger. I'm allowing for that little edge there, and I'm actually going to come in a little bit with my cutting, so you can be exact with your measurements. I'm never that worried about that. And then the 3 centimeters is the important thing here. So I do have a ruler. Three centimeters in, so I will cut a slice down there, and 3 centimeters there. So I basically got 2 pages now all ready to go. Just cutting there and cutting one there. Okay, and I'm just going to add that to my little stack of pages. So I do have a bone folder. It's quite good to have a nice little sharp edge, and there is a little bit of a fold like that which will help thread through the pages. Okay. So this one is one of the covers, and again it's got that same 3 centimeter slice just like all the others. And this one here has got the slot. So this, and I've actually put some invisible tape in down the 2 seams of the 2 covers. One will become the back and one will become the front, and that just protects that seam, but you can't hardly see it in there. And I've already cut out this little slot there and left the 3 centimeters on either end. Okay, so the first one I'll do is I will just put this one in here. So I'll take those off actually, because you don't need those anymore. It was just a bit of a reminder to say. But because I've sellotaped down there, that's just happened quite easily there. So you can see now. So these circles here are slightly bigger than the inner pages, and I've had to put 2. I've worked out that I had to put 2 covers like this because of just the way that the book is arranged, and then you get a back and a front. So now I'm just taking my stack of pages and just creating that bit of memory there. And there we go. So we have our book, and yeah, it's actually got now 8 inner pages, and it does have this middle firmer page just to hold it all together. And there we go, and we have a back page. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and look forward to seeing how you get on with decorating it. Thanks.